one smartphone brand in India. So just before starting video, let us congratulate OnePlus for getting the number one smartphone brand in India. So today in this video, let us talk how this 5-year-old company became the number one brand in India by beating the Samsung and Apple. To get the number one smartphone brand in India, OnePlus does not follow any market strategy. So they simply followed the 3 steps. So the first one, providing corporate software updates, adopting the premium specifications in the budget segment, and the last, taking the feedback from the people and making the trust in people of OnePlus brand. These simple 3 factors made OnePlus the number one smartphone brand in India. So now let us talk about OnePlus smartphones and the launches. So OnePlus 1 is launched at 12,000, OnePlus 2 is launched at 20,000, OnePlus X for 15,000, OnePlus 3 for 23,000, OnePlus 3D for 26, OnePlus 5 for 30,000, OnePlus 5T for 32,000, OnePlus 6 for 35,000. So according to these prices, we can say that OnePlus has launched the better specifications in the budget. So this simple factor made OnePlus the number one smartphone brand in India. And other main thing I personally like is Oxygen OS from OnePlus. For example, let us take the fingerprint sensor and the face unlock from the OnePlus smartphones. Yes, they are damn fast. Like Oxygen OS. So for example, let us take about Samsung experience here, which was very heavy and very laggy. But coming to the OnePlus, they implement the perfect software called Oxygen OS, which are very light and very damn fast. Apart from the Oxygen OS, let us consider the software updates for the OnePlus smartphones. Recently, OnePlus 6 is running on the out of the view of Android P beta number 4. So you can understand how the OnePlus has developed the Android P for OnePlus 6, and OnePlus 3 and 3D would get Android P. Yes, that's very good thing from OnePlus, providing 2 years old phone to get Android P that Samsung can't do until till now. And the next and the last thing was OnePlus built a great trust in people's mind. For example, if you are given a OnePlus smartphone and you are given the other smartphone, what phone would you choose? I personally choose OnePlus because I trust OnePlus of software updates, build quality and time-to-time performance updates, etc. So this is the overall video of the OnePlus 6 hitting not only OnePlus, the whole OnePlus brand hitting number one in premium segment in India. So a very great congratulations to the OnePlus team of India for succeeding the number one premium brand in India, and also I hope you will continue till the last. So hope you like this video, and if you like OnePlus,